Hello guys, welcome back to my video. I still myself Chukwabelago, and in this video I just want to explain to you guys what's going on with TBC009. Okay, there's currently an ongoing update by the TBC admin to upgrade certain things on TBC009 wallet. Okay, TBC009 is TBC's wallet, okay, where you store your TBC or your Kringles. So the update is currently ongoing and is meant to last for 2 days, which is between 15, 16, and 17. So on the 17th, we expect the wallet to be back online with a new update. Most of you guys who watched my old video would know some of the updates that we're expecting, like being able to have multiple currency option so that you can be able to see the value of your TBC even in your native currency, in your country's currency, or maybe in any cryptocurrency form. Okay, but you see the value there. That's number one. Number two is the increasing the decimal. Okay, making it possible for people to spend their TBC below, spend their Kringle below the value price of one Kringle. Okay, previously, if you want to spend $1, you pay one Kringle. If you want to spend $5, you pay one Kringle. But the actual value of one Kringle is $11 plus. Okay, $11 and some cents. Okay, so with this new update, you'll be able to spend below one Kringle. All right. So also with the new update, um, facial verification is going to play a role in you accessing your account. And based on what I'm seeing from the narration on top of on the URL, probably TBC009 is going to be integrated into Kringle Cash. I don't know that for a fact, but I believe that when this upgrade is done, that TBC009 is going to be governed, or is going to be a subdomain to Kringle Cash, meaning you only have one account, which is Kringle Cash, which gives you access to everything, including your wallet. This is just me saying the fact will reveal itself when the upgrade is over. Okay, all right guys, so that's it for this video. Just want to let you guys know what's going on. And for those of you guys who want to buy TST, okay, those of you guys who want to buy TST, you can buy TST, or given the fact that TBC wallet is offline, you can buy TST with cash only, or Bitcoin only, or Ether only. Okay, and you are buying at the Uniswap rate. Okay, not at the rate of $0.0001. Okay, Uniswap rate. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. Till I see you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching, and have a blessed day.